Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to leave a group you've joined on Facebook. If you're looking to declutter your Facebook groups and leave ones that no longer serve you, follow these simple steps on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the app to access the menu. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Groups to view all the groups you are currently a member of. Step 4. Tap on Your Groups to see a list of all the groups you have joined. Step 5. Find the group you want to leave and tap on it to open the group page. Step 6. Once you are on the group page, tap the 3 dots at the top right corner to access the group options. Step 7. From the options menu, tap on Leave Group and then confirm your decision to leave the group, and that's it. You have successfully left the group on Facebook. Remember, it's important to periodically review the groups you are a part of, to ensure you are only engaging with ones that bring value to your social media experience. Thank you for watching and happy Facebooking.